Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will provide you information on this, which is a 14-piece tea set set by Pan Emirates. It's a kind of a luxury tea set that you can see on your screen. So let's open this. So I bought it. I bought this for 69 dirhams, and in the box it comes like this. So let's open this. So the frame looks very nice. So the quality is okay. It's not that much good, but look wise it is looking very nice. And you can see that the polishing is not good over here, and there are some polishing issues in this, so it is not quite polished. Okay, it is detachable. So this is frame for serving tea. So we have 3 boxes. In this box we got teacups, and you can see that the polishing or the artistic thing of this. So it is from Pan Emirates, and it is made in China. So this is the cup, which is quite big. I think it is quite big. So each cup is of 220 milliliters. So one serving in a cup is 220 milliliters. Now let's open this saucer box. So these are the saucers, you can see. There is some issue on this polishing, and it's removing. It's like it's peeling off. You can, and there is issue on this also. ये देखो. This is teapot. On teapot also, the finishing is okay. Only on the back side we are seeing this removing of paint, but on front side it is okay. So I can so there is a stopper so that it will not come out. So I have filled this teapot full by water. Let's close this and try to find it out how many cups will it fill. So let's see how it will done. So if I have a tea, I'm assuming I have a tea. I think it's equal. If you feel it not full, it has to be empty, and you can serve this like this, so it will look like in this way. And if I want to put this on this serving tray, let us do that also. So the plates will come over here like this. This teapot will come like this. So the finish over here is nice, it's smooth. So now you have to hang these cups like this. इस पे ना इंस्टाग्राम की वीडियो बना के डाल दो पीते हुए. So this way you can serve it to your guests, to your family, to your loving wife, to my loving wife. मैं ही करूँगा सर, बाकी आप मत करिएगा.